windshields are strong nowadays, so they'll hold together and you'll have major damage for a long
Mark
time.
at J-Tech, and I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2008 Hyundai Accent. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we have the correct oil type for the vehicle, and take the cap off. Now we're going to continue the oil change by draining out the oil from the oil pump. Locate your oil pan, and locate your drain plug, break the tension, and go ahead and loosen it, and drain your oil until it stops dripping. After we drain the oil, we're going to go ahead and extract the air filter from the block. I'm sorry, the engine oil filter. It's usually tight where you have to loosen it with a strap or an oil filter wrench. Take your oil filter out, let it drain. Make sure you dispose of your oil correctly. And when you put your new filter in, put a little bit of new oil around the gasket before you put it up there. And make sure your gasket is on your old filter, not stuck to the block up top. Last step of the process of the oil change is to add your oil. Confirm that your oil is the correct oil by looking at the top of your cap or reading up the specs for your vehicle. You want to use a funnel.